Hi guys, welcome to Sportstars ISL recaps. Today we will be recapping match number 43 of the ISL. The match was between Hyderabad FC and Odisha FC. Hyderabad FC won the match by a 6-1 margin. This 6-1 win is their biggest win in their ISL history. Bart Ogbeche again finds himself among the headlines as he often does with a brace against Odisha FC, which propels him to the top of the Golden Boot list with 8 goals in 8 matches. But it was not, despite the 6-1 scoreline, it was not all Hyderabad from the beginning. The game actually had a very scrappy start. Hyderabad FC first took the lead, and the goal was an extremely scrappy one which came off a set piece. Everyone thought that Bart Ogbeche got the final touch, but later, after the authorities rechecked the footage, it was a Hector Rodas own goal, and so Hyderabad FC took the lead. But they could not hold on to the lead for a long time. Again, it was an Odisha set piece, and again it was a very scrappy goal. Huanan got the last touch, and the ball ricocheted off his hand and went inside the net, and thus Odisha got their equalizer. But slowly after that, after the first 20-25 minutes, Hyderabad FC started getting into the match really. In the 39th minute, Hyderabad FC took the lead again. It was a beautiful corner taken by Edu Garcia, and Bart Ogbeche escaped his marker and met the ball with his head, and Kamaljeet really had no chance to save it. It was a thundering header, and there was absolutely no doubt regarding who the scorer was in that case. So yeah, at halftime Hyderabad went inside the dressing room with a 2-1 lead. So in the second half, it was really, as the scoreline suggests, all hell broke loose. I'm pretty sure at halftime, Odisha FC coach Kiko Ramirez would have told his boys that it's 2-1. So of course there's a chance to come back, and they really have some good forward players in the form of Jonathas, and of course Aridai on the bench, and Nanda Kumar was looking really bright on the left flank. But to be honest, Odisha never really came back into the match, and it was soon 3-1 to Hyderabad. Not in the 54th minute. Yes, it was Edu Garcia who scored his first goal of the season, and it was 3-1 to Hyderabad. And slowly, but in a very steady manner, we started Hyderabad FC dominating the play, and Odisha FC losing the plot. Their passes were disjointed. They were not being able to connect 4 to 5 passes together. And unlike the first half, where they were at least fighting and creating some chances, the second half we did not see any substantial chances created by Odisha FC in the second half. So after that, 3-1, and of course Bart Ogbeche scored his second goal of the match. We all thought at that time it was his third goal, and everyone thought that he was the third player after Greg Stewart and Deshaun Brown to score a hat-trick. But since his first goal was ruled out as an own goal by Hector Rodas, it was actually second goal. It was again a beautifully well taken shot with his left foot, and he turned. He was actually going to take a shot on his right, but he turned, and which really disoriented his marker, and he immediately took the shot with his left, and Kamalji, by the time he had got down, the ball was already at the back of the net. So after that, after it was 4-1, we more or less knew that it would be a huge ask for Odisha FC to come back into the match, but we did not really know it will be 6-1. So after that, after his brace, Ogbeche and Edu Garcia were both subbed off, and Joel Chianese and Javier Severio came on, and Severio immediately made an impact. Not long after coming on the field, he and Huanan combined really well. So there was a lovely dinged ball inside the box, and Huanan cushioned the ball with his head really well and set up Severio for the shot, and Severio obliged and lashed the ball past a helpless Kamaljeet. Really, there was absolutely no stopping that one. So at 5-1, they were level with the last season. They scored around the last season against Northeast United. They scored 5 goals, which was a record. And but after God of Bora conceded the penalty in the 85th minute, Joao Victor converted from the spot to make it 6-1 for Hyderabad, and this is, as mentioned before, their biggest ever win in the history of the ISL.